Welcome everyone, this is AppTech Pro. Today we're going to be doing an iPhone 8 with a cracked screen, and then also it has a cracked LCD, and as you can see right there, the iPhone says disabled. The reason why it says disabled is because the digitizer is messing up. So what it does is when you have the code on there, it'll just input the code randomly. I've seen phones to where they were run over by trucks, things like that, and the digitizer was fine. And I've seen it to where it had a little hairline crack, just like a little hairline crack, hard to see on the camera, but and then it did stuff like this. So as always, I'm going to go ahead and start the timer, speed up the video, and show you the final result. So I hope you enjoy. And we are done. So 15 minutes and 8 seconds, and we have a brand new iPhone 8 screen. Everything works great. There's a little plastic piece that comes on all of our screens so that it doesn't get scratched during shipping. And again, this will be disabled until he hooks it up to iTunes. So if you need an iPhone repair, battery replacement, screen replacement, anything to do with iPhones, we can definitely help you. And make sure you check us out on Instagram, Facebook, and also our website. I'll leave all the links in the description below. And as well, I just want to thank all of my customers. Thank you for those who watch the videos. And until next time, I'll see you guys soon. Thanks again.